Specs. Unit type. Alternator, voltage, 12, rotation, CW, amperage, 80, clock. 3, pulley class. S7, regulator. IR, fan type. If compatible with. Replacement for Arrowhead, OEM, A2TC1391, Arrowhead, AMT0187, DIXIE, A-80249, Honda, 31100, RN, AA01, 31100, RN, AA012M2, AHGA67, JN, 400, 48050, Leicester, 11176, Lucas Electrical Europe, LRA 03157, Mitsubishi, A2TC1391, NAPA Power Premium Plus, 213-9718, PIC, 203-5085, REMY Light Duty, 12657, USA Industries, A3176, WAI, 1-3016-01MI, Wilson New, 9027-3306, Wilson, 9027-3306, Wood Auto, ALT 31132. Compatible with. Replacement for. Honda, Civic 2006 to 2011. 1-year warranty protects you after your purchase. We're confident that our products will work flawlessly once installed in your vehicle. But in a rare case that it does not, well, replace it anytime within 1 year of your order. If you have a problem, we will take every step to assist you. Contact us for a replacement. 100% new aftermarket alternator built to meet OEM specifications for Honda. Top reviews from the United States. Spend more money and buy better quality. Alternator was cheaply made, would stop working every few minutes and voltage would drop. Was going out of town and went to local auto parts and purchased a better alternator with better warranty.